Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix StoneAge idle adventure game crashing or not launching, not loading, lagging, keep stopping, not working, or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next method is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If so, then go to mobile data or use mobile data if you are using Wi-Fi, or do vice versa and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. After doing this, try to open the game and check. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, you should check if there is any update available. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for StoneAge idle adventure game and then check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and then check. If not, you are suggested to install a VPN so that you can play the game hassle free. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps over here. Install any one of them, change the location, and after that try to launch the game and check. If the issue continues, you should check if the phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, go to settings. After that, go below, click on system update, and here you will find if there is any update available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and then check. But if the issue continues again and again, it's better to reinstall the game once. So for that, click and hold the game icon. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Now after uninstalling the game, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game and finally click on the install option, and after the game is installed, now try to launch it and check if it's working. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.